Welcome back and welcome to those who are new. Today I will be showing you how to store and organize your spices for maximum freshness and flavor. If you are new to this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit your notification button and like this video. My loves, if you are tired of your cabinets looking messy, well listen, these tips are going to be so helpful by keeping your spices organized and ready to use. They're going to make a big impact and help you keep track of everything you got. So when it's time to whip up something yummy to eat, you know exactly what you have in your spice cabinet. The first step you want to do is go ahead and clear out your spice cabinet and set everything on top of the countertop. Take inventory of what you do have and what you don't have, so when it comes time to refill your spices, you know what you need. Recently, I placed a huge order on Amazon for my house for organization purposes, and these boxes you will see me taking out this spice rack and some spice jars that I ordered. This is going to help when it comes to placing your spices in a clear container, that way it could be more visible. Now, as you can tell, there's a whole lot of mess going on this countertop. I have a problem with bringing home soy sauces and hot sauces from restaurants. Now, a good way to detect to see if that's good or not, if it's turning colors, get rid of it. And also for the spices, you want to check your expiration dates. And also another good way to tell if the spices is still good, put a little bit in your hand. If it smells fresh, it's good. If not, throw it away. Also, spices can last up to 6 months in dark places. Now that you have figured out which spices you are keeping, go ahead and put these spices in a clear glass airtight jars to help you keep the spices longer. As mentioned earlier, these airtight spice jars came from Amazon. Included were pre-printed labels and a funnel to help transfer the spices. I absolutely love and suggest that you go out and get you some of these, girl. You have to organize and organize this week. Doing away with the mismatched seasons and season bags will help your cabinets look so elegant and hit it with a little bouginess. When starting the process of putting the spices into the jars, make sure to lay down a kitchen towel so it will require less cleanup at the very end. You could just pick up the towel and throw the remaining herbs, seasons, spices into the sink. Now, loves, this project will require a little time, so just have the patience. And also, when using the tunnel, don't become impatient. I found myself using a toner for some of the seasons, and some of the seasoned spices I didn't use it, or I used it in a different way. So just don't give up, keep it moving, and I'm telling you, at the very end you will be very satisfied of the results. The final step and tip is get yourself a turntable. This will prevent you from having the spice jars everywhere in the cabinet, and also it will give you a sleek finished look. And here you have it, a very organized spice cabinet. I highly recommend this product. The labels are very easy to read on the spice jars. And whatever you are waiting for, this is your sign to get up and organize your cabinet so it can look very sleek and you know exactly what you have in your cabinets. I hope I have inspired you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.